Jesus. Whew.
JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land.
Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we are going to be reviewing a water leak sensor. It's a detector. You place it on the ground, and if there's a water leak, it'll notify you with an alarm. If you have a known location for a drip, there's a sensor on the top of this which will detect a drip. So this kit comes with 5 alarms. It comes with the alkaline batteries as well. Each one uses 2 AAA batteries. It comes with a tool to pop it open because it is watertight. This will not get damaged if it goes above this. It's 100% waterproof. It'll probably make a funny noise on the water. It's a great little concept. There are lines for this where it actually lines up to be put back together again. So what I have here, I have a plate, I have a bottle of water here, and I have the item. We're going to simulate it right now. Putting the plate right here in front of me, I'm going to start pouring water out. Then we're going to see when it goes off. Like that. And you have to press the test button on it to turn it off. So there's 3 levels of volume. Alright, so this works out very, very well. It's very sensitive. It works extremely, extremely well. It's a product that I recommend. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. I feel that this is a good option for anyone who has a problem with water. And this is only good if you're home. If you're not home, this is not the product. You need something that's going to be wireless. And that we're going to check out in the next video. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
In a world of lights and bits, where tech can make a strip, there's a guru with a knack for every digital tip. JoeteckTips the name, he's the one you'll seek. From gadgets to software, he's the one you'll meet. So if your tech's in a tangle, don't you fear. JoeteckTips here, let his advice draw near. With his help, you'll surely find in this digital world peace of mind. JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land. With his wisdom and his wit, every tech woe will surely fix it.